Hello, this is Ben with Zerion Software. We're really excited to introduce our latest integration with the Webmerge platform for creating custom documents and reports. And for all those existing Webmerge customers out there, what this means is that the Zerion Dataflow Automation now can connect directly to Webmerge, meaning you have all the features and functionality inside Dataflow Automation where you're able to process and refine your data, such as doing calculations or filters or updating your key values, as well as a field mapping where you can drag and drop to map out the fields that you wish. So I want to go over these two updates here and what this means for you. So this is our Dataflow automation platform, and as data is submitted, it goes into a webhook and is stored directly in here as a record. So let's take a look at this record, and we're going to see that this is a building inspection. So it talks about the date, the name of the inspector, a couple of details about the location, and then down here is the example we're going to use. We have a couple different questions that are going to be pass-fail, which then correspond to an inspection score. So in this scenario, we see a 1 and a 0, and that's the key values coming from iForm Builder. But in this scenario, we want to transform this to show pass and fail. So what we actually do is we set up another record set, and we're performing a filter on this data. So if we look at the data in here, we're going to see that you see exterior 1, 2, and 3, and interior have been switched from the 0s and 1s to a pass and a fail. So again, just writing some simple JavaScript there to filter that out. So that's one of the main advantages here. And then the next one is within the action. So inside of Zerion Dataflow Automation, you can go under Actions and Documents, and you're going to see a connection to the Webmerge document. So once you click on that, you're able to give this action a name. So I'm going to call this Webmerge. Then you can choose an existing connection. Now I've connected directly to one of our Webmerge accounts, and it's going to show all documents within this account. So I'm just going to choose one of the documents here. And you see the moment I choose that document, it's going to pull in all the fields, just like Webmerge does for the field mapping. But you see we actually map out all the key or the data column names directly here on the right hand side. So it's very easy to just choose the drop down and pick what element you want to map to. So if the element names do match, it's really nice because they do just automatically fill in for you. So let's say we want to take insured name. We could just simply scroll down and find our insured name, which would be the maybe our inspector location, and you could look at our insurance provider, and then we could map a new field for that. And you see we go through and map out all these fields here. So there's no need to worry about the confusing syntax. You simply just choose your element from the drop-down list, and then you can use it inside of the form here. And once you save this, you're going to see that the Webmerge connection has been set up. And every time a record is submitted from here on out, it'll go through our data flow, process the data to change the 1s and 0s to pass and fail, and then map the data into the Webmerge document and output it just as it has before. So again, this is a really exciting update. It allows you to make your integration with Webmerge easier and have a bit more flexibility in terms of how you're working with the documents in Webmerge.